Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Documentero. It is a great software to generate Word and PDF documents from custom templates, and you can use forms, spreadsheets, or ChatGPT as the source of your data. I will show you what this software can do and also will show you what it cannot do, so you can decide for yourself if you need this or not, if it will cover your use cases. Just a quick sneak peek of the functionality. Here is the example of PDF document that I generated. Here is another one. Maybe you would like to create rental agreement or tax forms or any other document. So let's quickly overview the main functionality of the software. You will be able to use customizable templates. Here are those in more detail. You will have template fields in your document. And of course, you will have template examples to have you start quicker. For example, rental agreement template or invoice template. You will be able to create forms so people can put data so they get documents generated. Documentero also provides API, so you can generate automatically your documents with tools like Zapier. You can create your documents in bulk using forms or CSV files. You can generate sample content using ChatGPT. And it integrates with most popular integrating tools like Zapier or Make, which I will show you later. So let me summarize you what this software does. It creates documents from templates and it supports two formats, Word and PDF. Again, you can create documents in bulk, and let's take a look at the pricing plans. For the first plan, you have 300 documents generations monthly, so that's a great start. And you have all other features available, like integration with Zapier, Make, and other services. And of course, you will have option 2 and option 3 with more generous limits, like 1,000 and 2,500. All right, here we are in Documentero, and let me demonstrate you how easily it is to build your template. First of all, to get you start quicker, Documentero provides sample templates which you can use and update. You can put variables into your templates, and these are two templates that I have created. One for rental agreement. And what can you do with that? Of course, you can overview your template, your variables in your template. You can create document using built-in form, or you can create a shareable form. You click this link, name a form, and you will have a shareable link. Before sharing, you can also configure your form. So once you get the shareable link, you will have it like this one. You can go to the details of particular form. You can add your logo, additional messages like confirmation message. And there are interesting settings, like you can navigate user to a specific URL after submitting your form. Like in my example, I'm navigating user to my YouTube channel, and you can allow user to download generated document. By default, it will be sent to the email of the creator of the form. So let's see this in action. Here is the form. I have pre-populated the fields, and let's submit that. We are getting confirmation message. Let's submit that. We can download our document. Then we were redirected to the URL that we have specified. Also, we have received field form to our email with actual document, which was created with all values filled. And the same document was available for a user to download. Okay, what else can you do with a particular template? You can go to bulk generation settings and add values here, add several rows, or export data from CSV file, and you will have several documents generated at once. And another great feature that Documentero supports complex fields and complex logic in your templates, just in case if you need that. For example, if you go and create a new template, choose Smart Section and Fields, let's load that. And here we can see an example. We can use the value from age field and decide if it's under 18, we can put into the document like the person is underage. If it's greater, we can put it as an adult. You get the idea. And just another example of how you can use Documentero. There is available Zap for integration with Documentero. And for example, you can configure to get data from a spreadsheet like this one. For example, anytime a new row will be added to this spreadsheet, this Zap will work and will send data to Documentero to create new document. So let me show you that in action. We can test our steps. We have got email sent to Documentero. And here is our document generated with data that was pre-populated from our spreadsheet, from this one. So it is just another way how you can use Documentero. You can populate data into your spreadsheet in different ways. For example, it can be some form like type form, Google form, or you can put that manually. You have all the flexibility here. All right, so that's it for the review of Documentero. Again, to summarize, great quality software that delivers on its promise to generate Word and PDF documents from templates. And there is an important thing, this software does not allow you to sign your documents. You can generate document, print that, or sign manually using your iPad, your phone, but it has no built-in flows to allowing, for example, clients to sign your documents electronically. This software generates documents from templates and excels at this task. So, to get this software, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.